Let me show you how we can enter and exit the download mode on Samsung Galaxy A17. You need to prepare the USB cable and you will have to connect your phone to a computer, but we're gonna do that a little bit later. First, we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna go to quick settings in order to find the power button, and let's shut down our phone. Now, once the phone is completely off, we can prepare the cable and we can connect our phone to a computer with the USB cable. But once you connect the cable, you want to immediately press and hold both volume buttons. Just these two volume buttons without the power button. So connect the cable and then press and hold both volume buttons and just keep holding like this until you see this screen. So now we are entering the download mode. Over here you can press volume up in order to continue, volume down in order to cancel the download mode and go back into the normal mode, and you can press the power button in order to show the barcode. So let's press continue. Over here, as you can see now, we have this downloading mode completely enabled. And in order to turn off here the download mode and exit it to go back to normal mode, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button for 7 seconds at least. So first I'm gonna unplug the cable and let's press and hold both of these buttons at the same time. And then just keep holding until the screen turns off. There we go, now we can release both buttons and the phone should reboot and go back into the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.